It was always Amsterdam, but we will put the distance to an end. We had a plan, gonna lay it out on a queen-size bed, catching up on 21, meet all your friends back home. That was not what it was, broke it off on the telephone. It was always absolute. Everybody said we were moving fast, but now I'm pretty over school. Switching out my books for the rail pass, and all these dreams of Amsterdam, where you surprised me with the yellow bag, with a basket that didn't match it, that I guess I'll never get to ride. To go back home. Is this just 21 and something's gotta give? Well, I still got a bill for a ticket that I'm stuck with. Calling it a change of plan. Just a building on a postal stamp. Just calling it a change of plans. Just a building on a postal stamp.
When did you guys like start playing together? How did you guys meet?
So Cal and I met in college, university as we call it in Canada, and I was singing a bunch around campus, and so was he. And then we were looking for people to collaborate with. We went to school for like psychology and biology, so we were just doing it in our spare time. Then a mutual friend introduced us. We met at a party, and then the next day I went over to his house, and then we just like kept playing together, coffee shops, McDonald's sometimes, bars. And then we got like a nice following at university because all our friends would just come to all the shows. And then it was like a little campus in a town 3 hours outside of Toronto. So everybody started coming. And then I think we just got really confident from that. We were like, we can do this as a living. And then we wanted to make an album and we wanted to become a band. And we met Andrew through a mutual friend. And same thing, we had one rehearsal and we were like, okay, we're a band now, cool. And we figured out our name the night before our first show, like 10 years ago. And here we are.
1, 2.
How can you stand how it's shaking out when you're miles away other side of the couch? Two stubborn flames in a paper house. You know just what to say that'll get to me now.
Sometimes it feels like we're just down and done. We go too far when we should bide our tongue. Let's not just lose it all on something dumb. I've been here long enough.
made some mistakes. And it is what it is, 'cause we're stuck in our ways. But there's nothing about you I change, 'cause the things that I love and the things that I hate are mostly just the same. Sometimes it feels like we're just down and done. We go too far when we should bide our tongue. So let's not just lose it all on something dumb. I've been here long enough to say that I love you anyways. I love you anyways. I love you anyways. Broken records sound the same, but still I find the need to say I love you anyways. Sometimes it feels like we're just down and done. We go too far when we should bide our tongue. Let's not just lose it all on something dumb. I've been here long enough to say that I love you. Yeah, I love you. Yeah, I love you.
Are you guys able to write while you're touring, or is it really like a separate?
We're trying this tour. We brought a little mini studio for the bus, but we have never successfully done it. The days go by.
You really have
they just happen.
You have no time. You have no time to do anything. We're probably not actually writing, but we're journaling. We're like, we pack in so many life experiences to like such a short period of time. So it's definitely like creatively useful and fulfilling.
We're sponging.
Yeah, we're sponging super hard every night. Yeah. Have a nice little post-day sponge and just get everything in there. And come December, we'll just wring it out and maybe have a new album sometime soon. That's the plan.
You are the worst cards player I've ever seen. You are the best example of everything. The first to run your mouth, the last to lie, take sides to say goodbye. And you are the one who knows the rest of me. And now I'm gonna need someone, and don't take one more step towards me. Is this when you show up and wreck my life and I barely make it out alive? Which way you wanna miss me? What kind of song will this be? Take the next 2 years and waste my time. No, I can't change my mind. So you decide without or with me. What kind of song will this be? What kind of song will this be? You are the sweetest thing about nicotine. You are the queen of making history. You can't quite bite your tongue to save your life. You're lucky, I don't mind. And you are the one who knows the rest of me. And now I'm gonna need someone, and don't take one more step towards me. Is this when you show up and wreck my life? waste my time. No, I can't change my mind. So you decide without or with me. What kind of song will this be? What kind of song will this be? What kind of song? Is this when you show up and wreck my life? I barely make it out alive. Which way you wanna miss me? What kind of song will this be? Take the next 3 years and waste my time. No, I can't change my mind. So you decide, you decide. What kind of song will this be? What kind of song will this be? What kind of song?
So we had like a little, like we were talking about covers. Do you guys do covers at your shows?
Sometimes.
Why? Why do you do it or
Why
not
to do a
it?
cover? The philosophy of a cover. We actually don't on this tour because we have so many songs now and people are just mad when we don't play some of our songs, so we kind of got to max out the set list. But sometimes we have like a really good band that plays with us, so we sometimes do like a crowd request cover where we're like, name a song, and we'll play like a Disney song or something stupid, and like half the time it goes horrendously, but like the vibe of our show is so casual that people are usually on board.
It's fun for us too. It keeps it fresh. We're on our toes. We're like,
Very on our toes.
this could be horrible, but when it hits,
When it hits, it hits.
it really hits.
Shall we?
Yes.
Put on a poncho, pray for mosquitoes, and drink till I was thirsty again. We went searching through thrift store jungles, found Geronimo's rifle, Maryland shampoo, and Benny Goodman's corset and pen. Okay, I made this up. I promised you I'd never give up. If it makes you happy, it can't be that bad. If it makes you happy, then why the hell are you so sad?
I get down real low down. Listen to Coltrane, derail your own train. Now who hasn't been there before? Okay, I still get stoned. I'm not the kind of girl you take home.
If it makes you happy, it can't be that bad. If it makes you happy, then why the hell are you so sad? If it makes you happy, it can't be that bad. If it makes you happy, then why the hell are you so sad?
God, that's a high song. Holy